Hello everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm a Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit, and today I have a finished object for you, which are socks. I know I've been knitting socks for a while. A little bit warm, not so much in Ireland to be honest, so I can't use it as an excuse, but somehow things happened like that. But anyway, if you're wondering what that is, I would say go and check my episode 78. Okay, let's start. Are they the most beautiful ever? I may went a little bit crazy with the blue heel, but you know what? Do not worry. I love them so much. Right, so if you're here for the first time and you recall that this is a step-by-step tutorial, it's not, but do not worry. At the end of the video or down below link, you can find step-by-step tutorial how I knit socks, and I actually use this method for this. I may have changed the toes. Toes I actually used from my pattern, which is Trip for Two socks on the screen. Maybe I'll show you now. You can check down below finished object or playlist socks, and you can have a go, although it's a paid for pattern. Toe up, knitted the tube, and then I finished with 2x2 ribbing with amazing stretchy bind off. And what else I can say about these? So if you ever would want to knit socks for me, this is how we do it. We cast on 12 stitches, we do toe, and until we reach 56 stitches. Do not worry about your gauge. Most of the time, even with the thickness or thinner yarn, but still fingering, we're talking about over here, we'll kind of get something that I really like. And then we go to 56 stitches and we knit in a round. And normally what I do, I knit until 60 stitches and I mark the sides, and over here you can go as low as 25, short list for me. Go for it if you want to, but I went with these two, I think 50 stitches, 50 rounds, and then I switched for a different color. You may wonder what the colors are because they are amazing, right? So the green one is very old stash. I got minis from Green Elephant Yarn. This is an Irish yarn dyer. Her name is Fiona, and that kind of set of minis kind of drew my attention. So I use it for toes because if you see it, it's just beautiful. But obviously, before I mention what the main color is, I had to go a little bit bold, and I went with the blue. And the blue, so what I like the most is the mini that I got from my friend, from Grace from Bubbles Traveling Yarns. And it's not her yarn, although she dyed yarns. And this is the mini that we kind of swapped. So I got this beauty. Not sure what did she mention, that maybe this mini is not her. She actually maybe got it from Marsha. So definitely on Instagram photo I'm going to tag Grace and Marsha, asking who owns this beauty. Although it's not that direction how you knit. You go with the green, you go with tube, and then you end up with the blue. But over here, this beautiful one, we are going to leave it till the last. It's a colorway which is called knittingILove. And if you know, and you're not accidentally over here, this is my channel name. This is my name, my social media name, so you can find me as that. And this is The Beauty. Check this out. I have still plenty, and I'm going to wait what kind of leftovers I have here. So I have over here 71 grams. That means that I used, in this skein was 100, not more. So just saying. So basically with one skein I could do 2 more similar ones. So basically 3. I may do this actually because they're so cool, and you know, using my own name, so pretty. It looks like this in the cake, and I'm going to show you now who dyed it for me. I know, don't look at my lovely cake because my ball winder broke. Again, check episode 78. What I got it as a gift, as a present, and I got 2 skeins. The other one is different color, but it's called also knittingILove, and I'm going to use it as a prize or gift, whichever way you call it. So we have a Crafticorn, and the dyer is from Canada. Lovely. And the color is, as you can see, knittingILove, and I'm going to tell you the Check the screen now. Cute. And we have stellina in it. So we have 75% fine superwash merino wool, 25% nylon, and 5% stellina, and 463 yards. So 400 meters, isn't it? I'm just guessing. But it has that little glitter, but not too much. So if you're not a glitter person, you may see now. You see this a little bit here and there. Do you see it in a sock? Not so much. Well, you see it in the person, but not so much on the camera. It's like a snow, twinkling snow. So yeah, I used US size 1, which is 2.25mm needles. I knit them for myself, so I used these. And I also used 9 inches to knit it around because that's my favorite method knit for at least a few months, and that's probably I'm still on a sock kick, because if you've been here before, I was on a hat kick maybe for a few years, so we shall see how that goes, but I have so much fun. I knitted it in this beautiful bag. This bag I got as a gift from a friend when she sent me advent calendars minis. So I presumed Crafticorn and the lovely creatures over here, it was just meant to be together. And the color is so beautiful. So beautiful. As I said, these socks are for me, but because I can't resist. Well, most of the times I do lots of gift knits. So thank you so much for sending the yarn my way. It's the first time ever someone dyed yarn including my name in it, so that's so precious, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the leftovers, especially now when I even see how it knits up, and it's just so beautiful. Okay, that's all. If you want to knit socks for the first time, I would say wait for those 2 videos over here and click for the one to check how to knit socks, or check the playlist how I do things. Maybe I'll do some stuff a different way. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Don't forget to use hashtag knittingILove. Show me what you're knitting, because it's not only me bragging what I've done. I really want to see what you're up to and have that kind of community and connection with you too. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.